Hi. So, an article I found was evaluation of parenting, depression, and violence profiles in methadone maintained women. There were 21 patients from the Family Center program for pregnant drug dependent women used in this study. The potential ability to parent and or the risk of child abuse were being determined throughout this study. The assessment tools used were the profile of mood states and Beck Depression Inventory and a violence questionnaire. The violence questionnaire was used to find out if there were any past physical or sexual abuse in the past lives of all the women in the study. The answers of the patients were compared to the parenting ability. These tools were chosen because the women were able to give their own information and answer honestly about themselves. For example, the Beck Inventory is a self-scored questionnaire. The questions are rated from 0 to 3 and there are about 21 questions. Ratings of how sad one feels, the satisfaction they get from doing things, and disappointment, and so on are asked. The Profile of Mood States questionnaire rates not all to extreme on things like anger, how active they are, how energetic, how sad, and so on. All of these use the rating approach. By using these tools, researchers are able to get a good idea on how patients feel and how they see themselves. Results of the study were there were strong relationships between the parenting ability, prenatal clinic attendance, abusive life events, age, number of children, use of depressant drugs, and employment and or education. Drug abuse and stressful events in life and psychological problems were found to be a strong gauge of poor parenting ability. Women who maintained methadone well and doesn't need other drugs, they have stability and have normal mood and effects maintained. They all had a strong potential for positive child rearing abilities. What I found interesting from this article was that urine analysis was used on the women to see if and what drugs they were on at the time. And this can provide insight on what drugs have a stronger impact on the potential for positive parenting and compared to drugs that result in negative parenting.